The next generation process integrated 8-inch multitasking machine equipped with high technology. LM1800 TTSY is the fruit of the most advanced scientific technology and world-class specification. LM1800 TTSY is equipped with main, sub-spindle, upper-lower turrets to improve productivity and shorten cutting time. At the same time, LM1800 TTSY can cut any type of form in the top quality to qualify customers' needs. By ergonomic design, emphasized operation convenience, and cover design boast inventive design. Also, by compact machine design, it makes better use of space. Bulletproof window is applied on machine's door to prepare any safety accident, and Hyundai Wia's inherent color is applied to find machine's identity. Finite element method applied design. LM1800 TTSY's bed adopted all-in-one type 45-degree angled bed to improve cutting accuracy. It assures stable cutting by absorbing vibration. LM1800 TTSY is composed of 6 travel axes. High rigidity and high accuracy roller guide is applied on Z1, Z2, ZB axis. X1, X2, Y axis is applied with box guide to optimize guide way by each axis. Also, broad ball screws are applied in double anchor support method by pre-pressure to fulfill precise location to be safe from the heat. Built-in main spindle reduces noise and vibration even at high speed or when taking heavy-duty cuts, improving precision and surface finish. The spindle is also capable of rapid acceleration and deceleration, reducing non-cutting time. To minimize heat distortion, mass storage cooling system is adopted to spindle. High accuracy sensor adopted C-axis can control 0.001 degrees to fulfill outline control. X-axis and Y-axis controllable Y-axis is a combination of BMT type dodecagonal tool post to enable complex cutting such as milling cutting. Space-saving compact design minimizes machine's installation space. Compound axis control type Y-axis is easy controllable and reduced cutting time as processed without C-axis. High-accuracy 3-piece coupling is used on LM1800 TTSY turret to maintain accuracy and improve rigidity. By using servo motor, 0.15 second fast cutting is possible. Highly rigid BMT turret is fixed with 4 screws to perform well in heavy-duty cutting, and live tool demonstrates excellent performance when cutting. Straight milling head and angular milling head is attachable to cut outer and inner diameter to expand cutting area. Drill, tab, and end mill tools can be attached to maximize productivity and cutting efficiency. Live tool is operated by 5,000 RPM spindle motor and fulfilled high repeat accuracy. High productivity and accuracy is guaranteed by adopting servo motor on upper and lower turrets. Upper and lower turret can hold 24 tools and 48 on an option. Single setting can perform complex shape cutting at a high speed. Outer turning and inner turning is possible from standard tools and inner drilling. Outer end mill is possible when using live tool. At each stage of cutting, left-right spindle and upper-lower turret can perform cutting independently to demonstrate better performance than two standard lathes. Automatic cue setter brings sensor into tool's contact for tool revision. Therefore, test cutting, measurement, calculation, and revision amount is unnecessary for beginners. When cutting is completed, finished goods can be disposed without opening the door by using part catcher to increase work convenience. LED lamp attached as standard has lower temperature than halogen lamp. Lifespan is 10 times longer and intensity is better than halogen lamp for better machine management. When collision occurs, LM1800 TTSY can automatically notice and immediately retreat access to minimize machine's additional damage. Backspin torque limit option is a standard option. Controller-friendly designed LM1800 TTSY is equipped with 10.4-inch LCD screen to monitor machine cutting status. Hyundai Via Machine Tool Smart System is applied for 3D simulator and easy to create a program by adopting interactive program for controllers' ease of use. Combination of high productivity, accuracy, AS, and self-developed design. Hyundai Via Machine Tool. Revolution of high speed, high accuracy, and high productivity CNC lathe. LM1800 TTSY can make your dream come true.